Okay, I currently have GNS3 installed, the version 2.0, and we want to configure the GNS3 with the new IOURC file. Now there's a couple of ways to do this. You could generate it with a script inside of Ubuntu, and you can upload it via a browser. For example, my IP is okay, 192.168.29.128. And some people might have issues with this, which I was having issues with uploading this. Now, it's pretty simple. You just type the :8000/upload, and you should be able to upload your iOS image and the IOURC. But many people have trouble. It just won't show up for some reason. But there's another way around it. You can use Filezilla to transfer the file into the Ubuntu, like so. You want to use port 22 because you're using SSH. The login is GNS3 and the password is GNS3. So what I want to do is I want to generate the IOURC, and I've already typed the information here. I'll retype it. The password is GNS3 and the username is GNS3 as well. Port 22. I'll do a quick connect. I'm doing a reconnect, and I want to move into the IOU. And the whole purpose of this was to transfer the keygen, the CiscoKeygen, but I'm going to delete that so I can demonstrate for you how this works. So that's I have the Python script here. And if you don't know how to get it, you can just easily Google it. You can easily Google it and it should come up. I'll Google it for all intents and purposes. You can find it on GitHub. So you can easily copy and paste this into a file, which is what I did here. I copied and pasted it into this file, or you could download it too. So I double click on this, transferred it, then I want to go into console. So I'm here. I transferred the file using Filezilla. So what I want to do is you want to use Python to compile the script. Now you might have you might have issues with using the Python 2 or Python 3. You might get an error saying that it's not compiling right because you're missing a parentheses. So I found that the easy fix for that is to install Python. Use the Python 2 command, but before you do that, you might want to do a sudo apt-get update, which I've already done, so it's no point in me doing it. But let's say, for example, you do that. Because in order to install in order to use Python 2, in order to use the Python 2 command, you need to install Python minimum, and that's already done. There's no point in doing that. And the last thing is to use this command, Python 2, the CiscoKeygen, depending on what your file name is. It could be anything. It could be shorter than that. But it ends, the file extension ends in py. So click enter, and if you notice, the license is in the middle. It's a 7365FD 3B0A13AD0, and it's very important to remember the semicolon. Now, usually you would just upload it to the website through a browser, but in this case, because this is GNS3 version 2, you have to do it a different way. You'd have to go to go to the application of GNS3. You want to go to preferences, and then you want to go to iOS on Unix, and this is where you put in the details for the IOURC right here, like so. And then you apply, and you click OK, and it should work. You have no issues there. But let's just say I stop it. Let's say I delete it just to make sure it works. I'll go back to preferences. And cut it. And click apply and OK. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it works. Missing a license. So perfect. That should tell you that in order to make the images work, the IOURC license goes here. Click on paste, click on apply and OK. And let's click start, and it works. So that's a solution for you. Hopefully this helps.